Good morning guys, it's me Binongkiri and welcome to my channel, that is Binongkiri Explorer Vlog. And today we are back here with another new episode of Exploring into the Wild. In today's video it's gonna be very interesting because I will be showing you everything from starting till the end. So without wasting any time, let's proceed guys. Let's go. Lái ke har long cái thing tang pen bui pot lo ang som du pik anju adim ta lang mi pik am hala bahai ni ke nejer potum lo lapu ke sok lo la ber ke lang roi so do jo to warang chapon bom lo la tum si sukuna rong keng pik pik an jo lang tha arong ta ding pik pik am lo tawar lo lutun bom lo piat helo lo jiri theso the kalima lo kalang di This place is very peaceful guys. Long kiri bang perang lang japon bom, bang api dan bom lo. Lang mik pik an jodin tak. Lang tha la hai tam mi rang se yo har long long siki jer yo lang mi pik an di pang phar la ta por pen lom te tanon ke kapang phar por kar li lang tam he ma long tai e la so mi So guys, right now we are in the middle of the jungle. It's really beautiful here. The air is so fresh and I can feel the oxygen from the nature. Everything here is so pretty and incredible. Rồi là số phar lang nang đi nong dang ko ve le thong ni phar lang ni sen đi song phar da lang ni sen là số thanh pi lang tha do na tum jong black pig So guys, today the weather is so humid, fresh and cold. It's very peaceful. Wow, this place is absolutely gorgeous. Surrounded by many big trees, varieties of trees, herb, climber, and so on. So guys, in my previous episode, we could not reach in the middle of the jungle, but today we are in the middle of the jungle. Wow, look at that guys. The climber one are going on top of the tree. So many different species of sound can be heard everywhere. The trees here were so big and tall. Everywhere is covered with a big rock. Adim lang mi pick anjo panato. Light har long long ki jir. Lahaya rongan hedi. Mirang se lang mi pick an. Long kiri si tawar nang chapon bom lo, api dun bom lo yo, dono to. Puke ha bear kachisun tulo nitum. Lang mi pigan di, jo. Har long ki jir lahaya amir he, lang mi pigan. Rong lo, kami dah rong lima. Pojok lang. Termit langsung jauh deh. Ang niming-niming uy. A very big thank you to all guys for watching my video, and if you like my video, please do not forget to share and subscribe. And it's a request to all the viewers that if you like my video, please do not forget to write on the comment section given below so that I can bring you more videos and updates. So from now, stay safe, be happy, take care, and love you all. Bye bye.